In this problem, we will graph the given equation of y is equal to negative 3x plus 5 using the slope and the y-intercept. In this problem, the slope will be negative 3 over 1 because it's negative 3 is with the variable x, and that is always where we can find the slope according to our slope-intercept form. The y-intercept is the constant by itself, and that's a positive 5. Once I've identified the slope and the y-intercept, now I can go over to my graph and use the following two steps. The first thing I'm going to do is plot the y-intercept. So I'm going to go up to positive 5 on the y-axis. Next, I will use the slope to plot additional points. So from my current point at my y-intercept, I'm going to use the slope of negative 3, 1, which means I'm going to rise negative 3 and run 1. Now, rising negative 3 technically means to fall because it's negative. So I'm going to go down 3. So count with me 1, 2, 3, and then run to the right 1. So my next point will be here. So I'm going to continue to use slope. Again, I'm just going to stay right where I am and use slope again to continue the line. So I'm going to go rise negative 3, so down 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 1. 1. Didn't make a mark, so I'm going to erase that one real quick. And now I can go ahead and connect those points to make my linear equation.